In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing folder pane in Outlook 365. If your folders have disappeared, don't worry. This usually comes down to a view setting, and it's quick to fix once you know where to look. The folder pane is the column on the left that shows inbox, sent items, and all your other folders. When it's hidden or minimized, Outlook can feel empty or confusing. So let's bring it back based on the version you are using. If you are using the new Outlook, start by going to the View menu at the top. Open Folder pane, then choose Folder List. And finally click Show. That path view, Folder pane, Folder List. Show brings back the full folder tree. You'll know it worked when you see your mailbox folders reappear on the left side. This setting can occasionally change after updates or when switching layouts. So it's a reliable first place to check. If you are on Outlook for the web, the folder pane is often just collapsed. Look for the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Near the top left of the screen, click that once, and the left navigation should expand, revealing your folders. This is especially common on smaller screens or narrower browser windows, where the pane collapses to save space. If you are using classic Outlook, go to the View tab on the ribbon. Select Folder pane, then choose Normal. If it's set to Off, the pane won't show at all. If it's set to Minimized, you'll see only a slim bar with tiny icons, which can make it look like your folders are gone. Switching it to Normal restores the standard full-width folder view. T here is also a handy keyboard shortcut in classic Outlook. Press Ctrl+F6. That takes you straight to the folder list view, which can often restore or reveal a hidden navigation pane. It's a fast, dependable shortcut when the pane seems stuck or invisible. And it helps confirm that your folders are intact and just needed to be displayed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.